Welcome to Single Serve in Excel. Today we're going to talk about changing the format of the numerical values in a pivot table. This pivot table summarizes the average number of heavy metal fans by country of origin in the style Heavy Power. To see how to create this pivot table, watch the tutorial Pivot Table Summary Functions in Excel. See a link in the description below. Also, this pivot table is in the classic pivot table layout. On how to change the pivot table to the classic layout, click on the link below for that tutorial. And as always, a link to the dataset is available for download so you can work alongside this video. In this pivot table, you'll notice that there are no comma separators for the numbers and some values have 5 digits to the right of the decimal. Let's get the numbers in a more consistent format. To do this, click on Average of Fans in the Values box, click on Value Field Settings, and then Number Format. You'll have many options to choose from. You have General, Number, Currency, Accounting, Date, Time, Percentage, Fraction, Scientific, Text, Special, Custom. Since we're working with numbers, we'll select Number. Let's keep it at 2 numbers to the right of the decimal, and let's check the box Use Thousand Separator. Since our values have no negative numbers, we'll leave it at the default setting. Click OK. Then click OK again. And now your numbers are in a more consistent format with commas as separators and 2 digits to the right of the decimal. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment in the section below. Also, like and subscribe and click the bell icon for updates on new videos.